deep within the dense, humid foliage of the wetlands. Life moves at a deliberate pace. Meet the white-breasted Waterhen. Known for its striking contrast of slate gray and brilliant white, maintaining its plumage is essential for survival in this damp environment. Every movement is calculated. Preening not only keeps the feathers waterproof, but also removes parasites, ensuring peak agility in the undergrowth. Typically shy and elusive, these secretive birds spend most of their time concealed amidst reeds and tangled branches, rarely coming into full view. In a rare, candid moment of vulnerability, it stretches its limbs, preparing for the hunt ahead. Constantly vigilant, its sharp eyes scan the surroundings before it retreats back into the shadows of the forest.